Okay guys, this is our homework for Tuesday, January 9th. The first problem says, Zoe made the following model of a number. What number did she make? So I'm going to look at this by place value and count each set of place value blocks. So first I'm going to look at my 100 blocks, and I have two of them, 100, 200. So I'm going to write that down. Now I'm going to look at my tens, and I'm going to count them. And I'm going to skip count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. So I have 14 tens, or 140. Then I have one block. It's the value of just one. I can add these all together, and I get 341. So the answer is B. The next problem. To make all the s'mores at summer camp, the chef bought 2,463 bags of marshmallows. What is one way the number could be written in expanded form? So what I'm going to do, because these are written in expanded form, but they're broken apart more than we usually do. So the first one, I'm going to look at 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 200 plus 200 plus 40 plus 20 plus 3. So I'm going to add up my thousands. 1,000 and 1,000 is 2,000. 200 and 200 is 400. 40 and the 20 that's down here, that's 60. And then I've got my 3, which equals 2,463, and I believe that is the number we're looking for. But I want to really make sure that I know that's right, so I'm going to put an M for maybe. Okay, letter B, do the same thing, so 1,000 plus 1,000 is 2,000. Then I've got 3 100s. That's 300. I've got 50 and 10, which is 60, and then 3. So that's 2,363. So that's not right. Cross that one out. Now C, 200 plus 400 is 600, plus 60 plus 3, 663. That one's definitely not right. And then the last one here, 2,000, so that's done. 100, 100, 100, 100. So there's 4 100s, so that makes 400. 30 and 30 is 60. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's 2,462. Ooh, that one was close. It's one off, though. It's supposed to be 2,463. So, turns out my correct answer was, in fact, A. All right, next problem. Which shows how to say 74,098. Now, what you can do to help you figure this out, I'm going to write the number again. And I'm going to write each place value. So I'm going to kind of turn it outside right now. The 8 is in the ones place. 9 is in the tens place. The 0 is in the hundreds place. The 4 is in the thousands. And the 7 is in the 10,000s. So we only make it to the thousands house over here. So what I like to do when I'm saying them, I start by just looking at the first one, 74. Now when I get to this comma, I say 1,000. Then I look at the number that's left, 98. So it's 74,098. Let's see. A says 740,000. That's not right. B says 74,000 4010,5098. That sounds funny. Even reading them out loud can help you figure it out. 74,9,800. That's not right. And then letter D, 74,098. There's our answer. Again, look at each section in between the commas. So 74, and then the comma means I say 1,000, and then 98. All right, last one. Write two statements that describe the relationship between the two digits. Well, first I'm gonna write it again down here. And again, I'm gonna label the place values. 0 is in the ones place, 8 is in the tens, 9 is in the hundreds, 8 is in the thousands, and 3 is in the 10,000s. Okay, so I'm talking about this 8 is in a box, and this 8 is underlined. Now, this 8, it's 8 in the thousands place, so it has a value of 8,000. And this 8 in the tens place, has a value of 80. Now, we talked about how when you move up a place value, the number gets 10 times bigger. And when you move backwards, it's times 1/10. Times 1/10. Times 1/10. Okay? So each time you're getting 1/10 or 10 times smaller. So what I can say is the boxed digit so the 8 in the box is, now, if we look down here, this place value is 10 times greater. This place value is another 10 times. So 2 times 10s is 100 times. So the box digit is 100 times greater than the underlined digit. Sorry. Okay, and then my second sentence can just be the opposite. The underlined digit it's not 100 times greater, it's 100 times less, or 1/100th of the box digit. Okay, all right, good job.